Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make clickable image in Canva. I'll also be showing you how to make icons clickable in Canva. The first thing you can do once you have selected your Canva design, for example, right here, you're going to tap on the image. Then you're going to tap on the three dots that says more. Then from there, you're going to tap on link. After you have tapped on link, you can paste in an external link. For example, this URL right here. I could simply go back and I could paste in the URL right here by simply right clicking. Then after you have done that, you'll tap on done and you can see that the link has now been added. If you would like to instead link it to an internal page, so for example, you can see that this design has more than one pages. So let's say for example, I would like to link one of the images to page 2. All I would need to do, right where you see add title, I could simply tap right there, then for example, name page 2 test. After you have named the page, all you'll need to do now, you could tap on the image, then you're going to tap on the three dots, then you'll tap on link. After you have tapped on link, from there you could type in test. So you could type in the name of the page. After you have typed in the name of the page, you could simply scroll down and you can see right there pages in this document, and you will select that page. Then you'll tap on done. Once you have done that, you'll now be able to click on this image and it will redirect you to that page. And if you would like to make an icon clickable, the concept remains the same. You're going to tap on the icon, then tap on the three dots, then from there you'll select link and you'll simply paste in your link. Now after doing that, you're going to tap on share in the top right hand corner, and this is also a very important step. After tapping on share, you're going to tap on download. Now, if you download it in PNG form, it won't be clickable. You will have to download it in PDF. So you can either select PDF standard or PDF print. Either one of these options can work. But if you're creating a website using Canva, it is okay to open the link with the website. But once it is one of these type of designs, you'll have to download it via PDF. So for example, we will select PDF standard. Then from there, we can simply tap right here, and I won't be downloading all pages, so I'll only be downloading page 1 and page 2. Then I'll tap on download. Now once it has been downloaded, I'll show you that it is now clickable. So you can see it is being downloaded right there. So now that it has been downloaded, I'm going to open it. So you can see right here, we are now on the PDF. And if I should scroll down, once I hover over the image, if I were to click on the image, you can see that it redirects me to the external page, which was ESPN. Now if I were to go back, and let's say for example I were to tap on the second image which I added the link to. If I were to tap on this image, you can see that it leads me to page 2 in the document, as you can see right there. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.